Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use your offline maps in iOS 27. Offline map let you download your map areas to your iPhone so you can get a direction. So first of all, you need to open the map apps and simply you need to tap your profile picture or the initial next to the search bar. And from here you need to tap this offline map on the bottom and select download new map. And you can select your current location here as well, or you can simply search your download new map there as well. And after that you can select this download, and you can also adjust the map area to include the places you need to. You can simply pinch and zoom in or out and the map will be stored. And after that you can tap onto this download in the bottom right and the map will be stored on your iPhone for the offline use. And once downloaded, Apple Maps will automatically use your offline maps whenever your internet connection is unavailable. And that is it. That's how to use your offline maps in iOS 27. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.